Alright, you guys want to stop and watch this video right here because I know everyone's wondering whether candy selling will survive or not. And I'm telling you the answer, yes. I believe we will make a comeback and things will be a lot better once the coronavirus or COVID-19 goes away and it's over. Papi Chulo TV made a video about will candy selling be over, and truly I believe that it wouldn't. Anyways, if you guys watch the rest of this video, I vlog a little bit, but I also mainly explain to you how I'm still able to make money during this coronavirus. In fact, I'm actually making more money at home than I would be at school selling snacks due to this new method I'm going to show you. So it's basically like online selling, but I'm going to give you ideas and how to get started and tell you everything you need. So watch this video to the very end if you entrepreneurs out there still want to make money. Like I've made over $1,000 right now. Like at the time of the recording from before, I was at 680. Now I'm at 1,400, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. So please watch this video all the way through. All right, further ado, let's go. So today, welcome back. This is day 1 vlog of coronavirus, no school. We're here at our school. We're gonna do some running. Anyways, what's your opinion about this whole coronavirus situation?
I think it's day 3, not day 1.
Day 1 of the vlog. What is your opinion of the situation going on right now in the world of the coronavirus?
I mean, there's not a lot of people gonna die from the coronavirus.
Okay,
just the old people.
Do you think it will get worse right now before it gets better?
Probably, yeah.
You think it'll get a lot worse? How bad?
Well, not too much worse.
You know how it's affected me, right? I can't sell candy anymore for like another month. Well, that's a lot of money gone.
You just gotta like set up near Costco or something.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll make a video teaching you guys how you can still make money from the comfort of your very own home. You can easily do it. I've been doing it myself, and I'm gonna show you my secrets in a new video. Or maybe I'll put it in this video today, so you just keep watching. Alright, but anyways guys, on a real note, I'm gonna show you what you need to get started to make money at home in the comforts of your own office or your own bedroom. Right here are a few of the supplies I'll show you and behind me, and let's get into this. Alright, to begin, I wanna make an announcement where I'm actually teaching courses on how to make money online, doing eBay sales and selling your items online to make a business at home and make profit every day. Starting from zero, you can go from $0 really eventually to $100 a day. And if you do that, that'd be $3,000 every month. And I'm teaching these courses for $20 only. So keep in mind, guys, this is great knowledge and info you guys might need. So if you guys want to join my program, message me at snackgod on Instagram. Make sure it's the right person. And I have my real name on it is Blue Strip Fiend. So if you guys see me on there, you guys will know who it is, and you guys will see my bio. You'll obviously be able to tell from my YouTube channel. Anyways, let's back into this. So one thing I want to make an announcement also is this is more geared towards my viewers of the younger age. So I won't be really covering how to trade stocks and how to invest in the cryptocurrencies, as right now the market is bad, and also people who watch my videos are usually under 18, so they wouldn't be really able to access that stuff. Maybe some people can, but I'm not going to cover it in this video. This video I really want to talk about reselling stuff at home, and then I'm not talking about shoes and clothing. All right, I'm talking about putting anything you can find up there on eBay and making a profit. But I'm gonna start with what you need first. All right, so if you can do anything about eBay, well, obviously people can bid offers and stuff on eBay, meaning we need a good quality camera. All right, this can be something you already have, so that's why I'm not really counting this as the expenses. However, if you want to sell stuff better, I recommend getting a good camera, or at least like a somewhat of a decent camera, so you can take good quality pictures, and when people look at the listings of your items, they're more likely to buy it because they can see the item looks more, better quality, more realistic, or they can see the flaws or if anything has any scratches on it. If they see the quality is really good, they're more likely to click on it first. All right, first of all, you want to get clicks. That's the first thing you want to get. So get a decent camera, get a nice background. That's number 2. You want to find somewhere that doesn't have like patterns. You don't want anything with like furniture in the background. You don't want office supplies. You don't want a messy background. You want to have a plain flat surface, maybe the hardwood floor, maybe a carpet if it's one color, maybe you have fake grass, maybe you have a desk and you have like lighting on it, put a lamp on top. Make sure you take good pictures and keep all your items consistent, meaning all your items should be taken around one place. Don't spread them out. Don't take one picture in the living room, one picture in your bedroom, one picture in the backyard, or one picture in like your office or something like that. Keep it all the same area. That way, if the background looks good and professional, people are more likely to think you're a legitimate seller because you're actually putting in effort to sell your items. All right. Number 3 are the items you need. I mainly consider this 3 items. You need the item you're trying to sell, which I'll go into if you join my course. In this video, I won't tell you each specific item, but I will give you some suggestions in this video. You'll also need some tape, and you'll also need packaging. And there's also more that comes after that, but let's cover it up. So first, you're gonna want the item that you sell. In this case, I have my item right here. I'm not gonna reveal what it is. If you guys know what it is, then you guys know. But if I reveal this, it would make it a harder time for me to sell my own items. Anyways, my item right here costed me $5, and I listed on eBay for $25. That means I'm making $20 profit per each one, and I also have the buyers pay for the shipping, and that's when the shipping comes in. So number 2, next thing you need, if you have a USPS office or a USPS office in general, or I mean UPS office, you want to make sure you order a couple of packaging. Now, depending on what you're selling, the size of the packages does vary. If you're selling something smaller, you don't need something this big. But if something I have that is bigger, well, you can see I'm gonna fit it in here. All right. So, anyways, go to your USPS store, post office, order a couple packages depending on the size of the item you want to sell, and get them in bulk so you can get cheaper and save money on it. Now, what this is basically you just stuff your package inside, seal it off, and then you go online and you want to make a shipping label on eBay. What it means is when you sell something on eBay, it'll pop a notification up. Click on it, go to selling, and it'll allow you to place an order to buy a shipping label and print it out at home. Now, this will require you to have a printer. If not, you will need to go to like a public library, sign into your eBay account, and then print it out. The reason for this is because when they buy your stuff online, they pay for shipping. However, you do need a PayPal account to connect so that they can charge your PayPal out of the money they paid you and goes into buying the label. My shipping labels usually cost around $7-8, but it can cost more depending on where they live. The farther away, obviously, it would cost more to ship over there. And that's the second item you really need. You want to have one of these. And I guess I'm not gonna really count the camera and a printer as an item, because I'm sure that there's access you can get for free. Like, you don't need to actually own a printer. You can print without having to own one. But my third item is tape. You want to have a good quality tape. Now, Scotch tape, it might work, but I don't think it'll cut it unless it's like an actual package. Like an envelope, yeah, Scotch tape will work. But however, if you are shipping stuff, I recommend getting a tape gun with a roll of like this thick white tape right here. I don't really know, it's the clear like U-Haul tape. Anyways, this is one of the useful things. You use these to seal your label onto the package. So let's say you packed it all up, right? Let me get an example for you guys. Hold on. Alright, so supposedly you have your item already inside. This one does have an item inside, and I'm about to ship this today because I sold one last night. I'm gonna cover up the information. You can see that I have the label here. It's taped around it, right? You can see that you can see the P label, and you can see the USPS label on the top, Postal Service for United States, and you just tape it on with this kind of tape. You want to make sure you cover most of the wording, because if it is raining or your packages get wet, they may not be able to scan like the barcode they have here. You can see there's like a barcode. They have to scan that barcode in order to register it as a legitimate package, or else they won't ship it and they'll just give it back to you, or it may not even be returned to you. So make sure you cover it up with tape. It doesn't get wet, doesn't get scratched off, cut, or ripped apart, because this tape is more durable and harder to get off than the Scotch tape. The other one, very easy to tear off with just your finger. So you will need your tape, you're gonna need a package, and you're gonna need the item you're selling. Let's move on to the next part. All right, so before you guys continue, here you guys have it, guys. I'm not lying to you guys. I have 11 active listings and I have 13 sold, and the total of those 13 sold gave me up to $689.10, meaning that I've basically made $600 in the past 3 days, because I've actually posted this just 3 days ago, and I've made a total of almost $700 in sales. And although it's not all profit because I'm buying them, and I still have to get the cost and pay for shipping, I am making most of this as profit, you guys can assume. So I'm telling you guys this right now. I'm not lying to you, legitimate. I posted these 11 listings about 3 days ago, maybe 3.5 days, and 13 of them has already sold, making me $689. And I'll show you guys how you can do that if you join my course really soon. $20, I'll teach you a whole course of how you can make hundreds a day. All right, anyways, we're gonna continue on to the next part, and that is setting up your eBay account. Now, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have an email, make your own password, and that's all you really need to do to have an eBay account. Boom, you have one. Now, how do you get paid, I wonder? Well, this is where you set up your paying preferences. You can get paid directly to your bank account, or you can directly to your PayPal account. And I'm pretty sure PayPal is the one that everyone uses, because if you do get paid out of your bank account, it has to go through PayPal and then in your bank account. But some people may leave it in there as funds. However, you can also have it as eBay credit, whichever way you want. But anyways, set up your eBay account, make a PayPal account. Sometimes PayPal requires you to have parents assistance when signing up. So make sure they're sitting right beside you, helping you set up all the way through. You don't need any social security number. However, you don't need any ID documents to make one. I don't have it in there. All you really need to do is connect a bank account and a card, and I'm pretty sure you're fine with PayPal. Now, listing, how I'll help you with listing is you want to make sure you don't upload too many items at once. Overflowing your page will create too much for your audience to look at, and they're not going to want to scroll through everything you have for sale. They want to be able to look from one page because everyone's attention span has gotten really short over the time. If you don't catch their attention in like the first few looks of your profile and the first page of stuff you're selling, they're gonna click off more than likely. Although there is some people that will keep scrolling, I recommend you maybe post a limit of 5 items max your first day. I only posted 5 items max my first day, and I posted a couple more the few days after following when I tried to sell different items. Now, if you have your limit posted, well, here's the thing. You want to look online for posts similar to yours, people selling similar items, and you want to look at the description and how well they're sold. If you see them sell really well, what I would do is I would kind of semi-copy the description, not word for word, but reword things around if it is true for your item, and make sure you note the key similarities that separate your items from everyone else's. Put it in the description what your item has that no other item has. Because if you're selling one thing that no one has, that makes it easier for yours to sell before the other people has sold. You can also check how many the amount of item have sold based on clicking off a listing on eBay, and it will list it next to the price usually. Like it'll say like 19 have sold and how many remaining. And you can also make it so people can auction for your item. So if there is the last item and you don't want to just do it buy it now, whoever was willing to pay the highest price will take the item for that price, and you can be able to sell it to them and make more money that way. All right, guys, this is 2 days after I recorded the first part of this video, and now you can see here what I have. I clearly have 13 sold or active, 31 sold, and take a look at this grand total, guys. 0 unsold, and are you ready for it? $1,837, guys. That's right, 90-day total. Within 5 days of posting everything, I was able to make $1,837 in sales. So from last year, from last time I recorded 2 days ago, I was at around $600, and I made over $1,100 more just within 2 more days. You guys have to learn my method right now. Remember, $20 to DM me on Instagram, PayPal me. I accept PayPal, Venmo, Zeal. I'll teach you guys my method and strategy to make all this money within a couple of days. Because you're not going to make as much as me, or you maybe even make more. I'm not guaranteeing you'll make a lot, but I will teach you my method on how to make $100 a day on eBay. And it's, a lot of people has proven to work. So it has a high success rate. Well, here's the last part of the video, and I'm going to be going into the suggestions of what you could be selling. Not too specific though, because I want to say that for the people who do join my courses, and I'll also cover the last steps. So obviously, you're going to need someone to bring you to the post office, or you can go there yourself. If you live one near enough to your house or wherever you do live, you can walk down to it. But however, if you are far away, make sure you have someone to bring you down there safely, because you don't want to get jumped and your packages get stolen. You don't want anything to happen to them because they're valuable, right? If you don't deliver them, then you have to refund their money, and then you also get your stuff jumped. If you get stolen, you're losing more than just your money, right? You're losing the package too. So make sure someone gets you down there, and make sure you drop it off in the post office where it's safe and someone sees it. Don't leave it outside. That's my advice to you. Like, leave it closer to the end of the counter so people don't get no one steals your package, because there is a package thieves. All right, so you guys want to watch out for that, and make sure that if you guys aren't sure what labels you guys should be using, ask the people who work at the office. Ask them, do I have, for this address, for this kind of package size and weight, am I using the right kind of label? Am I using the right kind of shipping package, right? So if you're paying something too much for your shipping, it could save you money if you find a smaller package and the package is light enough to go fit in there. So you guys want to make sure you save yourself on that. Some suggestions I do have for you guys today is, number 1, we have sporting equipment. So that could be anything you use for sports, playing games, or, section number 2, video game consoles. And then number 3, you can also, this one is very important, sell used clothes for very, very cheap. And I'm not going to tell you where to find them for cheaper. That's what you're going to have to join my course for. But anyways, guys, I'll see you next time in the video. Remember, if you guys want to join this course, message me at _snack_god. And basically, I'll show you guys for $20, you can PayPal me, Cash App, Venmo. I'll teach you guys a full course, making sure you will know how to be able to make $100 a day on eBay steadily. And I'm not lying here, guys. I've started myself, and I know that if you guys do the same thing I do, you can be making the same money I make. Because what's separating between me and you? I'm not that smart anyways, right? You guys can do it too. So if I inspired you, make sure you go message me, leave a like in this video, and comment down below what you think you could sell on eBay to make good money during this coronavirus outbreak. All right, now for example, I have all 5 packages here packed up, ready to be shipped, and I'm about to go drop them off at the post office later on. And then basically that's how you make your money. So you kind of want to wait till like towards the end of the day or the next morning before you ship it to make sure you get all your orders and you don't have to go back in twice, because you want to do it all in one run. Saves you time, saves you money if you're doing gas and you're driving, or if you're paying for Uber or something like that. Make sure you have all your packages ready and go ship it all at once. If you do make more sales, wait till the next morning and see if you get any more from the rest of the day. We're about to go drop this off, and then we'll teach you guys how to make more money. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna drop off the packages right now. Headed to the post office. Let's see what they say. Get some packages going on.
Now what's happening, like what's happening? All odds were against me like Croatia, and I'm racketish. Started off with a camera cause nobody else saw the picture. Times my earnings by 13, get my bank account a bar mitzvah.